invited me. Oh my god, I don't feel good. My legs. No, someone help me. I am changing into biggest bird. You look like Opila from Ohio.
Okay, kids, get in. You will look like this.
Oh, I am becoming Zephyr Snail. Yellow or green? Yellow. Spikes or shell? Shell. Long neck or short one? Long. Blind or two eyes? Two. Slippery. Rich or happy? Rich. I choose wrong. No.
Now I must look like him, short or tall? Short. No, sad or smile? Smile. Sheriff or criminal? Sheriff. Nice big eyes. Last one. You don't look similar.
Wow, I am next and I will look like this. Bruh, 3 eyes or normal 3. Wow. Party hat or a watermelon hat? Party hat. Nice. Gold teeth or crazy. Next, long arms or legs are. Wow.
Why my run is glitching, dark or bright dark? No eyes or 999 eyes. No eyes. Friendly or scary? Scary. Red eyes or no mouth? No mouth. Killer or glitch? Glitch. Let's get out. Get out.
Wow, you look like Jordan Robux.
Don't be excited. You are from chapter 1. Noobs.
Oh, why you did this, bruh.
Okay, kids. Now the fastest person is getting upgrade and lose their worst upgrade. Ready? Go.
Oh my god, I am doing it.
Not too long.
Why, I am so slow. What is this? They already upgraded.
5 hours later.
Finally. Huh?
Noob evolution. This is your cage for being slow.
I must dig. OMG. Yes, I'd rather be homeless than in cage. I must train somehow. Wait.
Go snail number 1. Go snail number 2. Win. I believe in you.
Hey, I can win.
Oh my god! Oh!
Yay. Wow, I'm getting better upgrade. And I have 23 speed.
Next day.
And what is happening?
Get your Sonic to get next upgrade. Go.
Why, I got the fastest one. No, I must be faster.
Wow.
Come here, my max is 23, I must get more. 30, 50. Did it. I am the best. Dad, I upgraded, are you proud?
You are officially getting kicked from family. Bye.
Wait, what? Why?
You're too slow.
But I have 50 speed. Zombie or pilot?
Stop. We could teach you how to be faster.
Oh yes, of course.
First, run through this hole. Try again.
Okay, I need 90 speed. Did it.
Now run from trains.
What? Oh, I see. Fast. 120. Ha, easy. Upgrade. Wow. Hey, Dad, I am back.
Oh, you came back.
I am pro, you will see.
Ready?
Yes.
Go.
Haha.
Why are you not running?
Cause I will win. Come on. So close. Yes. I won. Time for upgrades.
Wow, Opila, you won.
Yes.
Now go through those straight lines and don't fall down.
OMG, we will die.
Hey brother, take this tea. It will lower your stress.
Oh, thanks. I don't feel good. Why my line is so weird. Go. It's hard to walk here. I think I will fall down. Okay, I got it. Wow, I have 200 speed. Did it. Haha, that's what I like. Good upgrade.
I am super proud of you guys, especially Opila.
Thanks.
You can't be like that.
What?
Why you did this?
Cause I am the king now. New boss.
New boss.
No, I am weak again. Max 6 speed. Wait, who is this? She looks like Chainsaw Man. Hey, can I be fast like you?
Yes. Drink this.
Okay. Wow. I have options now.
With this potion, you can set your speed.
Let's add some speed, strength, and leg powers. Like this. Okay. Wow, I am running 200 miles per hour. More, let's add more. Wow, 400 speed. I am too fast. And last upgrade. Wow, 500.
Next day.
No, it's my Job's Mine tournament.
Don't say it. New.
OMG, I want to run.
What?
What? Me too. Okay, see you tomorrow here.
I'm not gonna win this, I will train. Okay, how should I train now? Wait.
Leave us alone. No, my child.
I must help her. Stop.
Ha ha ha. Got you.
My legs. Where am I?
At your death.
Ha ha ha. Congratulations, you won. Yay, thanks. I am too fast.
What happened to Earth?
Everyone, this city is getting destroyed by this fast thing.
The president now.
OMG, it can be like that. I wonder how can I be faster to beat him?
I can help.
Um,
If you let the fastest criminals get out, they can help you.
OMG, yes, genius idea.
But first, rate this.
Okay, let's go. First Flash. He was so fast that he ran faster than light.
Nice.
Light, I'm faster than you.
It was good. Next, he's so fast that time slowed down and he was robbing people.
Why everyone is so slow? Give me your money.
No, please.
I don't care.
Very bad. Next, he was so fast that as a baby beat the fastest man on planet. Okay, I am sorry, but bad.
No.
OMG. Next, he was bitten by demon and changed into Chainsaw Man.
What a lovely day. He bitten me. Now I will destroy everyone. Kids, you know what to do.
Good dad.
Destroy everyone.
Hey guys, sorry for interrupting, but I bet you can't leave a like until 100,000 Robux go out the screen.
Dad, you changed.
Oh no. Yes. Now go and kill.
Don't teach this your kids. Dad, he was cutting trees with his arms.
Time to cut tree. Easy. Now time for forest.
Stop cutting our trees. He had sad birth today. I don't know, bro. I think you are a bad person.
Please forgive me.
Okay, come. You're free. He was the fastest baby when he was born. He ran away from hospital and started to live as a homeless kid.
Wow, our baby is perfect. Wow, you babe.
Mom, I don't want family like this.
Come back. Come back. No.
Everyone was making fun of him because he was poor.
I'm so poor. Loser.
It was the saddest thing that I have ever seen. He used his speed to rob the bank and went to jail.
Time to rob the bank. Money.
Catch him.
Sonic, it was bad, but I need you and my team. Come. Now we need 2 more. Next, people. They were having a race for the fastest rainbow friend.
I'm the fastest. No, I am.
Next. they were stuck and went because Purple Flame thought that they were players and catch them. Oh bro, they needed to get skinny to get out.
We must get out. Fast. Finally.
Get back, well, get back. And never get out.
Oh guys, I don't want you in my team. I am sorry. Next. She had functioned to be the fastest robot on the planet.
You will be the fastest.
She has funny dance. Okay, next. She was trying to protect Popcat. She wanted to kill everyone that would touch Popcat. Wait, what?
Hey, Popcat, I have gift for you.
Oh, hi.
Alert.
No, it was my friend. You can't do that, girl, nah. Her creator made 100 copier of her to destroy the world.
My Megan's are ready, ha 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 ha.
That I am sorry, Megan. Last, she was spotted in real life in playground. Good. Next, she hit a demon and demolished her room.
Nice.
Your room is disgusting.
Hey, stop it. No. Someone killed Enid and no one knows who.
No.
I wonder who killed her.
Okay, Wednesday you were bad, but join our team. Okay, so how can we destroy Blue Creature?
We will give you our powers.
We will give you our powers.
OMG, I feel it. Wow, oh wow, they gave me powers. Time to destroy Blue Creature. I am back, let's make a race.
What? Okay, noob.
Ready, go. I won.
How?
Ha ha ha, I just have skills. Okay guys, that's it. See you in the next one, bye.